Good morning. Today is Saturday, April the 22nd, 2017, 7 o'clock, about 61 degrees, and I'm just ready to leave for Betty's. There's a carnival over there. Down there is the Boone Hall strawberry fields. Oh, I'm here.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Unleash the beast. Come on, Murphy. Here's your breakfast. Those are heavy. Oh. Hey, Murphy. Oh, my. Yes, you good boy. You all excited? Yeah. Oh. Okay, is it about over?
I told him this time he was coming. It wasn't a surprise. He's been out here on the porch waiting. It's wonderful. And I know it is. Oh, I know. Yes, you have to cry about it.
Oh.
I think he heard a noise.
Yeah, we're getting ready to go out for lunch. Gonna go get a BLT.
I guess it won't hurt to leave the door open. The air conditioner isn't running that much.
Guess you're not worried about being robbed.
No.
You got Murphy to protect the house.
Well,
yeah, you take care of them.
He would chew their ankles, wouldn't you, Murphy? Those for me for Easter.
Oh, those are pretty.
And they were wilting, and the dirt was still moist. And Frances had come over, and she said, "Oh, it has the," I don't know, she called it wilts, or she called it something.
Mm-hmm.
And I looked at it, and I thought, it looks like it needs water. And I watered it, really watered it.
Mm-hmm.
And every day I watered, because it has such lush leaves.
Mm-hmm.
And it's working. It perked right back up, and I'm going to have to water it again today, and I watered it. And
That's
it's
really
moist.
pretty.
I enjoy it.
I didn't film when we ate out, and I didn't film when we went to visit Leslie, so I'll film our snack. This is chocolate mint ice cream with cherry on top. It's very good. Betty's enjoying some too.
And whipped cream.
And whipped cream. And Murphy's just watching, waiting.
Hoping we drop something.
Mm-hmm. It's 3:30 and time to go. Time went too quickly. Bye! They're there on the porch. See that little tiny frog right there? That shoe down there is down there because it was on the porch and I slipped my foot in it and that little frog was in there. I just felt something and kicked it off, and then he jumped as I kicked it off. Not a good thing to find in your shoe. Larry bought 12 more bags of potting soil today, so now the moss rose portulaca is planted. The bluebirds out here are all excited about something. Up there. I wonder if there's a snake or anything out there. I don't see anything around the box. Came out to film the sunset. It's 7:45 and 78 degrees. It's really nice out here. They're flying up there, but they're not going in. They're just carrying on something terrible.
You're right.
What?
It's a snake.
There is a snake?
It's on the concrete.
On the concrete? I walked over there and didn't see it. What kind is it? Oh, is that it there?
Looks like a rat snake.
You got it?
Yeah.
We don't hardly ever have snakes around here in the yard.
You caught it.
Huh?
I'm glad you saw it.
Well, they were just acting crazy.
They sure were. I hope they know we're friends now.
Yeah. I wonder if can you hear any babies in the box?
I'm gonna take a picture of it again and see.
Are there? Yeah, no, I don't think I want to, well, I don't know if I want to picture a snake or not. I don't like snakes. There goes my hero. The bird's hero. They're down there on the clothesline yet. There, they came up to the box.
Acting all right now?
No,
Huh?
no. They still won't go in the box.
I don't think there's any more. There could be.
I wonder if there's one in the box.
I can't take the box first.
See, they fly up there, but they don't go in.
There could be another one around somewhere.
They just keep going back and forth.
There goes the little one right there. Just for that box.
There it is. Yeah?
It must be time for it to come out or it wouldn't have flew out.
Maybe it'll learn to fly and they can go back in.
Because maybe the little ones are coming out.
Or maybe they're calling it to come out.
That's right.
Now's a funny time of day. There it is hopping
You're right about
around.
the snake.
If it could fly, then it could fly back up in the nest.
No, they won't go back in the nest.
Once they're out. That little bird's over there toward the peach tree and going on toward the fig tree, but his parents are around, so we're just gonna leave him and hope that he stays safe. There's the last of the sunset. Good night. God bless.